Alright, I'm out here by one of our gardens and I'm picking dandelions, so you just snap the heads off. It's okay to have a little bit of the green on the back, but you don't want the stem. So you just want to snap these off. I'm going to take these back and steep them and either make a jelly or a wine out of them. Alright, once you pick the dandelions, steep them or boil them. Let it sit in there for about 3 days, and then you'll start to get a nice golden color. This is day one. I just picked them, just started boiling them, so I'm going to have to let them set in this fluid for about 3 days. Alright, I've already filtered out some of the dandelion through a strainer into a pan, and now I'm going to try to do this through a coffee filter. And once I strain that out, and I'll start making some jelly. So I started off with 6 cups of the juice. Then I put 9 tablespoons of the pectin in it. And then I put 8 cups of sugar. A lot of sugar. I brought that to a boil, or I mixed those in while it was boiling. Boiled it for about a minute. Took it off the heat, and now I'm putting it in the jars where I'm going to can it. So I've sterilized these jars in the oven. Actually, look at that. That's almost the color of honey. It's really what it looks like once it was in the jar. That's awesome. It tastes like honey too. It smells like honey. So I guess that little bit of green doesn't hurt because I don't taste any bitterness